Hello Vivaites! At Indus Viva, we look out for you and want to ensure that nobody misses out on an opportunity, especially due to oversight. That is why we take extra care and steps to keep all of our distributors updated with changes, latest business scopes and plans. In this slide, we want to remind you all to update your default co-applicant details so that you may take full advantage of the rewards program meant for you and avail the royalty and junior royalty programs as per your eligibility. Here are the steps to update the details of your co-applicant. Firstly, log into your virtual office with your ID and password. Go to Profile and then click on Co-applicant Verification. If the pop-up Co-applicant has been verified appears, no further action is required. If not, you will be prompted to select your marital status. You must select the option relevant to you and click on Next. Upon selecting your marital status, you will be redirected to a relation to the co-applicant option. This prompt is linked with your given gender. Your co-applicant will always be expected to be of the opposite gender. Click on the relevant option and select Next. Fill in the necessary co-applicant details and upload a cancelled check for documents for bank. PAN number and documents for PAN are not mandatory. Now click on Submit. In a situation where you have to select Other under the relation to co-applicant, select the appropriate option from the drop-down and click on Next. The co-applicant details must be filled out and a valid justification must be given for choosing other option for your co-applicant. A legally valid supporting document for your justification must be submitted. Click on Submit. Please ensure your co-applicant is above the age of 18. If not, your application will be rejected. If your default co-applicant is above 18 years of age and your co-applicant has been approved by the company, your updation process has been successfully completed.